Metal Roof Renew is designed for metal substrates, lays on clean and even, giving us a premium finish and durability we expect from Dulux Acratex. For best results, a minimum of 2 coats is recommended. Remember to follow the roof application guide to understand your substrate condition. Our roof application guide includes relevant details from recommended products and recoat times to spray tips and application methods, helping you to ensure consistent, high-quality results across every job. Always refer to the product's data sheet and material safety data sheets prior to use.
When it comes to spray tips, here's what we recommend. If you're using a 519, drop down to 517. If you're using a 621, go down to 619 instead. This helps control the floor, delivering a smoother and more consistent finish. Keep your pressure between 1850 and 2000 psi for good coverage with Metal Roof Renew. We recommend allowing 2 hours between recoat times when working in ambient temperature of 25 degrees with 50% relative humidity. This gives the product enough time to dry properly and helps ensure a smooth and even finish. Do not apply if the surface temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius or below 10 degrees Celsius, or if the humidity exceeds 85%, or is within 3 degrees of dew point.
Metal Roof Renew is designed for excellent durability and built to withstand Australia's harsh weather conditions. Enjoy extended wet edge time, even drying, and a consistent spray pattern with limited overspray, making application smoother and more efficient. Dulux Acratex Metal Roof Renew delivers excellent coverage and spread rates, up to 8.9 metres squared per litre at 45 microns dry film thickness. Apply a minimum of 2 coats of Dulux Acratex Metal Roof Renew. Always refer to the product's data sheet and material safety data sheets prior to product use. Available via DuSpec Plus. With Metal Roof Renew, your roof isn't just restored, it's protected, refreshed and ready for years to come.